Hello, my name is Mike Toole. I am Dean of the College of Engineering here at the University of Toledo. It's my pleasure to welcome you today to this very special ceremony, the Honors Convocation. We are celebrating your accomplishments here at the University of Toledo. And it's a great time to get together. And my wish is that you will have fond memories of this day for many decades to come. I know that when I graduated way back in 1983, my family was there to cheer me on, and I still remember, and they still remember well, some of the recognition that I received that day. And so I'm confident it'll be the same for you. Here we are today, faculty, administrators, staff from the University of Toledo gathering with you virtually, and your family and friends perhaps, to celebrate your success. It's a special day. So before I actually turn it over to celebrate your success to Associate Dean Franchetti, let me just make a special announcement within the College of Engineering. Each year we award an Outstanding Staff Award to a member of our staff who've helped contribute to student success and the goals and mission of the college. This year I'm very proud to announce that Ms. Angela Gorney, Director of the Shaw Center for Engineering Career Development, has won the Outstanding Staff Award. Faculty and staff, you'll get an email detailing her many accomplishments. But trust me, students, that she's done a lot to enable your success, and she will continue to do it. So congratulations, Angie, to that. Let me turn it over now to Associate Dean for Undergraduate Studies, Matt Franchetti, who will lead us on.
Thank you, Dean Toole. The Honors Convocation and Awards Ceremony has always been one of my favorite events at the end of the semester, and I am glad that we can celebrate it virtually with you. You, graduates, deserve recognition for all the hard work and late nights you've put in earning your engineering degrees with such high GPAs, and I congratulate you. I would like to start the event by introducing our senior scholar. This goes to the graduating senior with the highest GPA. This year's senior scholar is Benjamin Doty. He is earning a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology and graduating with a perfect 4.0 GPA. Congratulations, Benjamin. He's from Northwood, Ohio. Next, I'd like to introduce our Outstanding Student Leader Award. This year, the award goes to Kristen Ott. Kristen was nominated by John Pilecki and is earning a Bachelor of Science in Bioengineering. She's the president of the Biomedical Engineering Society, secretary for Rockets Against Sexual Assault, and a former vice president of UTEC, along with some volunteering activities. Congratulations, Kristen. Next, I would like to introduce our Outstanding Senior for College Contributions Award. This year, the award goes to Justin Fleming, who was nominated by Myrna Rudder. Justin is earning a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering Technology and serves as a Staff Sergeant for the U.S. Air Force. Thank you for your service, Justin. He has served as a president of the U Toledo chapter of the Society of Professional Engineers and has volunteered extensively for the Engineering Technology Department. Finally, I'd like to introduce our Outstanding Senior for Campus and Community Contributions Award. This year, the award goes to Surit Dar. Surit was nominated by Chair Brent Cameron and Robin Van Hoy in the Bioengineering Department. He's a former president of the Biomedical Engineering Society and a member of UTEC. He has volunteered extensively, as you can see on the slide, at homeless shelters, animal care facilities, hospitals, and tutoring refugees. Such nice work, Surit. Good work. Next, I'd like to move to our students graduating from the Honors College. For a student to graduate from the Honors College, they must complete a minimum of 27 hours of honors courses, have a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.3, and complete an honors thesis or capstone project. We have a total of 16 students graduating from the Honors College this semester and earning the honors medallions. Congratulations, students. You can see their names in the online program. Finally, I'd like to recognize our students graduating with university honors. This is strictly based on cumulative GPA. Students graduating summa cum laude have a 3.9 or higher GPA. We have a total of 13 students graduating summa cum laude. Magna cum laude is above a 3.6. We have 41 students graduating. Congratulations. And finally, cum laude. These are students graduating with a 3.3 GPA or higher. We have a total of 57 students in this category. Again, congratulations, seniors. We are proud of you and we welcome you to the Rocket alumni family. Now I'd like to introduce Dr. Patricia Relu, Associate Dean of Graduate Studies for the College of Engineering. She will now present our Graduate Student Awards.
It is my pleasure to have the opportunity to recognize some of the remarkable achievements of our graduate students. Graduate students are an integral part of our college. Not only are they students, but they also support the teaching and research mission of the college and the university. I will be presenting 3 different awards today, 2 with multiple recipients. Outstanding TA awardees are graduate student teaching assistants that have contributed significantly to the university's goal of student success and academic excellence. They have also played an important role in the transition to remote instruction due to the COVID-19 outbreak. I am pleased to present awards to 3 students in this category. Our first awardee is Ali Albatena from Electrical Engineering. Ali had numerous nominations, 2 of whom I quote. Ali is the TA for our electronics laboratory. Throughout every lab, he has been willing to help and share his knowledge effectively with the class. Ali has helped me grasp concepts that I had difficulty learning in the lecture. He is easily one of the best TAs I've had, and I think he is very deserving of this award. Another said, he was very quickly able to adapt to online teaching of the lab due to COVID-19. He simulates the labs, generates data, videotapes them, and then students use the data and Falstad simulation software to implement the labs. Congratulations, Ali. Our second outstanding TA recipient is Bethany Arn. One of Bethany's nominators said, "We often think about the students facing the transition to online instruction, but we fail to stop and think about the professors, many of whom struggle with the technology and tools needed to teach online. Bethany has helped our professor tremendously with the technical challenges of remote instruction. She has also talked students through their own technical issues, personal problems resulting from the current state of affairs, and problems transitioning to online learning, all while dealing with the same problems as a student herself. She has been an asset and a constant during a time when nothing is constant. Congratulations, Bethany." Our final awardee is Victor Samoe from Mechanical Engineering. In addition to the quotes on the slide, Victor's nominator had this to say about him. He is extremely knowledgeable, mentors other TAs for lab courses, and works with students without any restrictions. He really provides physical intuition to his class students. When I was absent in a summer class, he took care of the class without any complaints. Congratulations, Victor. Research Mentor awardees are graduate students that have contributed significantly to the College of Engineering's research mission by serving as mentors to other students embarking on research. I am pleased to present the Research Mentor Award to 3 students. Our first awardee is Mahmoud El-Adawi, who is in biomedical engineering. In addition to the quote on the slide, this is what one of Mahmoud's mentees had to say about him. Mahmoud was a very valuable resource for our senior design team. He went above and beyond to help us when we were struggling and took us under his wing. We have all learned a great deal of knowledge on electronics and feel more confident with our sponsored project from all of the help and educational materials he provided with us. He took the time to mentor and guide us the past couple of months and was very professional in doing so. He is very hardworking, dedicated, and became a role model to every member of the team, and I believe he deserves to be recognized. Congratulations, Mahmoud. Our second awardee is Behrooz Mohammadian from Mechanical Engineering. In addition to the quote on the slide, here is what some of his research mentees had to say. I enthusiastically recommend Behrooz for the Research Mentor Award. Behrooz's unwavering dedication to mentoring undergraduate research students makes him an ideal candidate for this award. A second said, he is knowledgeable in his field and very good at transferring his experience to the trainees. He is not only a good mentor, but also a supportive person who takes care to provide his trainees with the best quality learning. Congratulations, Behrooz. Our final Research Mentor awardee is Nilafar Shakui from Biomedical Engineering. Here is what one of her research mentees had to say. She has always been on top of things, nice and helpful. In research, sometimes there is a push to put aside normal business and jump into it full swing, and some people can be a little overboard about it. Nilafar did a good job in being stern when she needed to be, and also being lenient when I had other things going on, like midterms. I think I learned how to keep a deadline and complete projects with a smile from her. Congratulations, Nilafar. Our final award is the Translational Research Award, which recognizes a graduate student that has made outstanding contributions to the college and the university's mission of improving the human condition in the region and the world through translational and applied research. The Translational Research Awardee is Naveed Namdari from Mechanical Engineering. Naveed has invented and developed porous materials with dynamic pore structure that can be used for sensing applications. Naveed's new method produces a material that changes from opaque to transparent by addition of either pressure or temperature stimuli. This material is a significant improvement over commercial sensing materials that are single use for pressure or temperature sensing. Using Naveed's method, the material is both pressure and temperature sensitive with a capability for repeated use. Naveed and his team filed a U.S. patent on this material in February 2020. Efforts are currently underway to start commercializing the product, and 2 companies have already expressed interest. Congratulations, Naveed. Please join me in offering a hearty congratulations to all of the recipients and all of the graduate students that were nominated for awards this semester. A special thank you for the nominators for taking the time to recognize the good work of our graduate students. I would now like to introduce Dr. Nick Kissoff, Professor of Construction Engineering Technology, to offer words of advice to our graduates.
Greetings. It's an honor for me to be one of those chosen to congratulate you on achieving honors for your academic endeavors through your 4+ years in the College of Engineering here at the University of Toledo. In case you didn't know, I'm Dr. Nick Kissoff, an associate professor in the Construction Engineering Technology program, and I served for 2 decades as the director of that program. I'm here because I'm kind of in a similar boat as you at this point, as this was my last semester in the college as a faculty member since I'm retiring at the end of the spring term. The dean felt it might be appropriate for a longtime faculty member who's also a 3-time U-Toledo College of Engineering graduate, as well as a former Rocky the Rocket, to impart upon you a few words of advice in this situation. Little did I know when I first accepted this opportunity what was to come just a few weeks down the road. In fact, this is the first time I've worn a collared shirt in about 6 weeks. Despite the maelstrom we've experienced over the last 2 months, this time of year is always an exciting one that allows us as professors to see the fruits of our labor on many of you over the last 4 or so years. We've been afforded the ability to see nervous high school grads registering for their first classes at rocket launches. We've gotten to see you in orientation classes as wide-eyed freshmen. Well, maybe not in morning classes, but you were wondering just what was in store for you in the coming 4 years. Some of you were transfers, you were cast-offs, castaways, or wanderers looking for a place to put down your anchor for an academic career, and you found the College of Engineering. We took you in and got you to this incredible culmination. And look what you've done. You're graduating with honors. That's fantastic. Now to some, you most likely expected nothing less. To others, maybe you surprised yourself a little at how well things went. And there may be others who are a bit disappointed that your results weren't a bit better. I was kind of in that last group. Take a look at my diploma right here. University of Toledo, College of Engineering. And as we look at it there, cum laude. I thought I could have done much better, but it was still an accomplishment nonetheless. The best part was that I won a bet with my buddy Dave Dimitrick on who would get the better final GPA. I won by taking 2 pass no credit core electives in my final term that allowed me to beat him out by 0.02 points. Dave is still mad about that to this very day. But whatever it is, whichever way it goes, I'm sure that you're still feeling pretty darn special about yourself and what you have accomplished. I'm here to warn you about what's happening at this very moment. Don't think that you are finished. Don't allow your head to get so swelled up with pride that you think you know everything about everything there is to know. As is evidence that this is occurring at this very moment, here's my doctoral graduation cap that fit my head perfectly on the day I received my PhD in 1988. Let's take a look at how well it fits now. You see, it doesn't. Plenty of extra room there. My head was really swelled up at that point because I thought I knew everything. As I like to tell my students after I post their midterm grades each semester, that if they had a grade lower than they thought they had earned, that there was still plenty of time to get back in the game and improve their final grade with some hard work. I also always warn students with A's that there was still plenty of time to screw things up. And that goes for all of you now. Don't let this be the high point of your engineering career. You've got to keep working, keep studying hard, keep learning, keep innovating to achieve even greater things down the road. If not, there's still plenty of time to screw things up. My dad, who was a certified public accountant and revered around the accounting circles in the city of Toledo, used to say, "You only have to be a little bit better than mediocre in this world to be held in relatively high esteem." While I don't think he was being dismissive of anyone's earned accolades, he was making a point about what it took to be viewed as a high achiever, as somebody that was kind of looked up to. It took hard work and being consistent, being ethical, and caring about those who you served in your career. That's what he did, and that's what I've always tried to do also. And that's what all of you need to do from this point on. And you've given yourself a really good start at doing that. But how do you do that? Well, one thing I've tried to follow in my career has also been this. You're either all in or you're not in at all. You can't do things halfway or do so many things that you can only give minimal efforts just to get by. That's not the way to a successful career. You know, maybe you could do that a bit in college if you came in as your high school class valedictorian with lots of AP credit and a knack for being at the right place at the right time. Guess what? Down the road, there's always going to be someone a little bit smarter than you, more well-prepared, more energetic, or sometimes just plain luckier than you throughout your entire career. The only way to make sure you keep those high expectations from becoming a letdown as you go forward is to give it everything you've got from this point in. Be all in, or don't be in at all. But make sure you choose something to be all in to, because you don't want to look mediocre and screw up your great start that you've just completed. I know you'll be able to make that right choice in the years to come. So again, congratulations on this outstanding achievement and on the receipt of your baccalaureate degree from the University of Toledo in the College of Engineering. It's been a pleasure serving my alma mater for the last 21 years and helping to produce graduates such as you who will strengthen the engineering profession in the future, as well as raise the status of the University of Toledo College of Engineering throughout the world. Good luck, and go Rockets!
Thank you very much for those remarks, Dr. Kissoff. We will miss you and wish you the best of luck as you go start this new part of your career. It's great teachers like you that have made the University of Toledo College of Engineering such a great place to study for many, many decades. So now it's the end of our first virtual honors convocation. Thank you again for joining us. And so I want to sign off now, but I have two favors to ask. The first favor is ask that you keep in touch with us. Let us know the good things that you have accomplished over your career, and we know it's going to be some very good things. My second request is about those good things. I ask that you consider spending some or maybe even all of your career doing something that will make the world a better place. As an engineer, you have that power. So maybe it's contributing to our nation's advanced manufacturing initiatives. Maybe it's bringing some kind of healthcare device into this world, or maybe it's going to a remote part of the world and bringing electricity or fresh water or internet. Whatever it is, make that world a better place and do it all with rocket pride. Thank you so much. Best wishes.